Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video, I am going to start WordPress tutorial. Today is the first tutorial and introduction. In this video, I will tell you what is WordPress, why we need to develop a website in WordPress, and what are the requirements for developing a website using WordPress. So in traditional way, people making website using HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, etc. But for small businessmen or small service providers, they need to pay more money to developer to make a website, and it's very costly to change websites every time and updating websites every time. It will take time and costly. WordPress is used more than 34% of websites. Roughly every 1 in 3 websites that you visit is built in WordPress. So WordPress is open source and it's free. It's the unlimited solution of website building. You can run any type of website and you can make better SEO than other websites. So many plugins are available to make a dynamic websites and easily make more functionality in your websites as per your requirement. And customizations is also very easy and it's too much Google and SEO friendly, and some themes are also coming with SEO ready, so you just need to install and run your website. So the solution is that WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is content management system where we can manage all our images, all our contents, all videos, our contact list, contact form, etc. We can manage everything easily with drag and drop with no coding skill required. So without coding skill, everyone can make a website for their business or services, and they can sell their services or products online. So making a website in WordPress, what are the requirements? Number 1 is we need a domain. Number 2 is hosting. Number 3, install WordPress. And number 4, create a website. So first of all, what is domain? Domain name is an identity of your website, like bestwebteacher.com, like flipkart.com, like amazon.com. As per your services or business, you can choose your domain. In next lesson, I will show you how to book a domain in global market. So before choosing your domain, you just make sure it's indicated your services. Otherwise, you need to spend more money to make a brand value, promote your business or promote your website. Next, what is hosting? Hosting is a server like our computer drive, C drive or D drive. Like it's an online drive where we can put our all programming files, all images, all videos, which system is 24 hours online. Whenever anyone can type our website name in browser, it can show our products, our images and all the information. The third number is install WordPress. Installing WordPress is very easy process. I will show you in next video how to install WordPress manually or automatically. If you purchase cPanel hosting, it's already included, and all other hostings also already automatically included. Easy one-click install WordPress, and after that we need to create our website. We can choose n number of themes. Themes means design template. N number of free themes are available in WordPress. So as per our choice, we can install any templates and run our website. Using WordPress, we can make any type of websites, whatever service you are provided. We can sell our product, we can sell digital products, we can make appointment booking, etc. It's very easy now, and for that you no need to pay any developer or any big company to make your own website. Just follow my process and you will be expert in WordPress website design. Just we need to purchase one domain name and a good hosting. Don't go for free hosting, because in internet So many free hosting providers are available. I suggest you to never take a free hosting because it will giving you trouble in future. Every time you can see your site is down. If you are going to make a e-commerce website and so many products are there, on other hand you taking a free hosting, whenever one customer coming to your websites, if it's so server is down, server is maintenance, server not reachable, etc., server error, then customer will never come to your website and searching for another website to purchase same product. It will be a loss for you. So that's why take a good hosting. I will suggest 2-3 hosting provider company. You can take from them. Otherwise, you can search in internet and find a good hosting and just integrate your domain and start your website. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for next video and next update. Thank you. Have a nice day.